Hey ladies and gentlemen, Devon Brown here, and I want to make this video really quick. I want to talk to you about why the first sale you make is so important, right? If you're trying to make money online, I want to talk to you about why that first sale, right? Even if that first sale is only like for $5, I want to talk to you about why it's so important. And the reason I want to do this is because I was just on the phone with one of my students who's in my program, and she made her first sale, and she was a little disappointed because it wasn't for very much money. She's like, but this sucks, Devon. It was only for a couple of dollars. And I had to explain to her why it didn't suck. And she's brand new to trying to make money online, and I thought I would share this message with you, especially if you're new. The reason the first sale is so important is because the first sale has to do with 3 words. And those 3 words are proof of concept. Proof of concept. You see, the very first thing you need to do is you need to be able to prove that this money-making idea or the system actually works. Is it physically possible for you to, in the case of this woman, order traffic and have that traffic come to a website and buy something and stick money into your PayPal account? And the great thing about you making that first sale is that the answer now is yes. It proves, that this can actually work. It proves that this is real. Does that make sense? I understand. We all want our first sale to be $500 and our second sale to be $500 and our third sale to be $500. And we want all 3 of those sales to come within 24 hours of anything we join. Hell, I want that too. Right? I make 3 sales a day. Each sale is $500. Yay, money. I want that shit too. It doesn't work like that. The first thing you have to do is you have to prove a concept. And this isn't anything. You have to prove that the idea can work. And then once you've proven that the idea can work, you can work on building it and making it better and adjusting and tweaking as you go. But the first thing you have to do is you have to prove the concept, and that's what that first sale does. It proves the concept. So I don't care if your first sale was $8. Smile, because you just made money on the internet while you were sleeping or doing whatever, and you proved the concept. You proved that it can be done. I hope that makes sense. All right? So congratulations on your first sale, and hopefully it's the first of many. Be happy that you proved the concept. That's all I got. Like this video, comment on it, share it if you're feeling me. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.